Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you one handy trick to get your beadlock seated perfectly in a matter of seconds. Now, I'm sure we've all been through it before, trying to get your nice new soft and sticky tyres to seat onto your beadlocks, and they will not go on for love nor money. So in this video, I'm hopefully going to solve all of that with one handy tip and save you a whole lot of stress. And here comes my top tip, and all it is this, a simple 70% isopropyl alcohol spray. So all we need to do is give the tyre a quick spray, and it just acts as a nice little bit of lubrication, and the wheels will just slide into place. And now do exactly the same on the other side. Get them lined up. Pop it in. And there you go, perfectly seated. Now all you need to do is pop the screws back in, let the IPA evaporate, which shouldn't take long at all, and you are good to go. And that's the first tyre done. Now for the other three. And there you go, 4 tyres installed in just a few minutes with zero stress. Now, if you have found this video helpful, please hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, you can subscribe to the channel just down here. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one.